Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the screensaver on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. First, we need to go to settings. In settings, go to display, and over here you need to scroll down a little bit until you find screensaver. If you choose it, then over here you have the slider that allows you to enable and disable this feature. Over here we have when to start, so you can choose when you want to show or enable the screensaver, and you can choose while charging or while docked and charging. I'm gonna choose while charging in this case. Then you can choose the screensaver, so you can just pick colors and it looks like this. You can also choose a clock and you can customize it a little bit. We can change the style to analog or digital, and we can also enable the night mode for the screensaver. You can press preview in order to see how it looks like. We can also go to photos and we can customize it. Here we have some data like unused Wi-Fi full data, photos full screen, and animated zoom effect. And we can use photos that are saved on Google accounts, or we can also choose albums from our device. So if you have, for instance, pictures saved on your device, then you should be able to select them over here. And if you go back, we can press preview and we should see images from our gallery. And there we go. This is an example. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.